Nĩ hĩndĩ icera kia kaunti-inĩ ya MURANG'A kuria MUTHURIMI mathabu ma thirikari magĩte NYAKANG'O arũire kanya gũikia RIITANA kũrĩ thirikari cia kaunti arĩa gũkorwo ikinena bajeti cia tabarĩra iria irenda kũhingia ihinda rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire.
We visit the county to find out how they are moving on and to advise them and also report on any issues where we might find shortcomings. So far, we've done very well with MURANG'A because they normally respond to the correspondence that I make from my office, and they have also been doing well in terms of budget absorption. We have no real issues with them. As you have heard from the governor himself, the only issue probably that we need to look at is what items can be moved from recurrent to development. And I've already given them the parameters that they need to look at for these items to be moved to development.
NYAKANG'O akiuga ino noyo njira ĩrĩa thirikari cia kaunti ingĩhota gũtungatĩra akenya na njĩra ĩgwete na gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra ciao kũrĩ Wanjikũ.
The counties have generally been improving over time. As you know, I've been in office now for the last 6 years and I've seen a lot of improvement, but there still remain room for improvement. If you check the current first quarter budget implementation report, which is online, you will see that there was very little development expenditure in the first quarter for many of the counties. In fact, over 20 of them had zero in development expenditure. But the reason why this is happening, and I think everybody who's listening should take this into account, is that the budgets of the counties are delaying a lot.
Governor wa MURANG'A KANG'ATA akigathĩrĩria rĩake na kwĩyanĩra wĩhotori wa thirikari yake harĩ gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra itiganĩte.
The electronic procurement system, the EGPS, is being run by the National Treasury, and I believe there are efforts now to capacity build so that everybody understands. My office included, we also need to start using the process, but it has not been easy because the initial introduction of the system was not done very well. So it has prevented especially development expenditure to a large extent.
Afitha ũyũ nĩagathĩrĩria mũbango wa thirikari wa kũheana kandarathi kũgerera mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu.
Ũmũthĩ tũna control budget nĩ ũrĩa ũhetwo wĩra nĩ katiba kũhĩtũkia expenditure ciothe cia county na nĩ twakena ũguoka atũtara he maũndũ tũngĩenda kũ-improve na tũkũ-improve nĩ atĩ rĩrĩa twandĩka marũa Nairobi handũ ha kũmandĩkaga kando indo kando tũgacicokanagĩria hamwe agathi agetĩkĩria ciothe hamwe ũguo nĩ tũgũtenyeria absorption ya budget. Wa kerĩ he maũndũ tũngĩenda mathamio kuma recurrent expenditure items mathi to development. Kwa mũhuano kĩndũ ta ũcũrũ tũheaga ciana, kandi ĩno tũheaga andũ arwaru.
Handũ-inĩ ha KWAGA TV kuma MURANG'A, ĩtoko nĩ Alfred Kĩnũthia wa Maina.